Welcome to my Factpod on circular economy applied to wide science themes for the course Biobased and Circular Economy. Grape was the fourth most produced fruit worldwide, excluding tomatoes, with a global production of 78 million metric tons of fresh fruit in 2020, with China, Italy, and the USA as the top producers of this fruit. Three are the uses given to all these grapes, with the following proportions: wine, table grapes, and dry grapes. Wine is the main destination for grapes, and with its production generating at least 20% of the fruit weight as a residue, it makes it an interesting field into which the practices of the circular economy could be applied. This Factpod is going to focus on the different ways of incorporating circular economy in wine's production processes, using the side streams produced to add extra value to the cultivation itself, but also making the whole process more sustainable. These are the residues of wine production: vine shoots, grape stalks, wine lees, and the main one, grape pomace. These byproducts are considered to be highly polluting due to the presence of organic substances, pH, salinity, and heavy metal content, thus having negative repercussions on environmental and economic sustainability. Therefore, finding new solutions instead of dealing with them with the currently one-way flow systems such as landfilling and incineration is almost a necessity. As with most processes related to agriculture, circular practices have always been applied, even though they didn't call it that way, using the vine shoots as firewood and the grape pomace as fertilizer, feed for livestock, to obtain different types of distillates, or even as building insulation. But with the emergence of new technology, new opportunities and possibilities appear for these residues. Let's begin with a summary of how the circular economy premises can be distributed in the different divisions of the production system in current literature, and which are the main themes being studied. It can be seen that most studies focus on the winemaking part, and that most themes are related to waste exploitation and energy production. As stated, energy production is the main application for the residue generated during wine production. Pellets can be produced from vine shoots, adding value to the all weight of using these waste products during pruning. Another use for the pomace is to obtain a biochar through a process of pyrolysis with a 30% yield, which is an interesting way of sequestering carbon, but it can also be used as soil amendment, also helping to retain water, or mixed with feed for livestock.
Created using Powtoon.